Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Mini Cooper S features. The Mini Cooper S stands proudly in the center of the showroom, its sleek body reflecting the warm glow of the overhead lights. The polished floor beneath mirrors its every curve, creating a sense of depth and elegance. The showroom is silent, except for the faint hum of ambient music playing softly in the background, enhancing the luxurious atmosphere. Large glass panels allow natural light to stream in, casting subtle highlights along the Mini Cooper S's glossy finish. Every detail of the car has been meticulously designed, from its iconic grille to the finely sculpted bodywork that exudes both sportiness and sophistication. As you step closer, the Mini Cooper S reveals its distinctive charm. The LED headlights, with their signature circular design, give it a bold yet inviting presence. The chrome accents on the front grille glisten under the showroom lights, a testament to its premium craftsmanship. The hood features the signature air intake scoop, hinting at the powerful engine that lies beneath. The Mini Cooper S logo, subtly embossed on the grille, speaks of heritage, performance, and modern engineering. The showroom's lighting system has been carefully arranged to emphasize the Mini's sporty lines, casting dynamic shadows that bring its character to life. To the side, the doors bear a seamless blend of elegance and functionality. The chrome door handles provide a refined touch, while the side mirrors, aerodynamically sculpted, add to the car's bold stance. The contrast roof color enhances its visual appeal, a signature element that makes the Mini Cooper S stand out. The vehicle sits confidently on sporty alloy wheels, each spoke polished to perfection. The low-profile tires hint at its agile handling, promising an exhilarating drive. Above the car, the name, Mini Cooper S, is displayed on the wall in an illuminated, sophisticated font. The glowing letters add to the showroom's exclusivity, reinforcing the legacy of the Mini brand. The name stands as a beacon of innovation and style, drawing the eyes of every visitor who enters. The showroom's design complements this aura, with its minimalist yet luxurious decor, a space designed not just to display cars but to celebrate automotive excellence. Inside the Mini Cooper S, the cabin is a masterpiece of design and technology. The dashboard features a seamless blend of modern digital interfaces and classic Mini styling. The circular infotainment display at the center adds a futuristic touch, while premium leather seats provide ultimate comfort. Ambient lighting lines the interior, creating a cozy yet sophisticated ambiance. The driver-oriented cockpit is a testament to Mini's commitment to performance, with every control thoughtfully placed for a seamless driving experience. The steering wheel, wrapped in high-quality leather, feels perfectly weighted in hand, enhancing the connection between driver and machine. The Mini Cooper S is not just about looks. Beneath the hood lies a turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. The finely tuned suspension system ensures precise handling, making every drive a thrilling experience. The sport-tuned exhaust emits a subtle yet satisfying growl, a reminder that this compact car is built for excitement. Whether cruising through city streets or carving through winding roads, the Mini Cooper S offers a driving experience unlike any other. As you take in the showroom, every element has been designed to highlight the Mini Cooper S in its best light. The reflections on the polished floor create an almost ethereal effect, making the car appear as if it is floating. The carefully positioned spotlights accentuate its curves, ensuring that every angle showcases its design brilliance. The air is filled with the subtle scent of premium leather and polished metal, adding to the immersive experience. The showroom itself is a statement of luxury. The walls feature a combination of sleek panels and glass, allowing the natural and artificial lighting to work in harmony. Minimalistic display stands surround the car, featuring high-resolution images and interactive screens providing in-depth information about the Mini Cooper S. Each detail, from the placement of furniture to the choice of materials, has been curated to exude sophistication. Visitors who walk into this space immediately feel the exclusivity that surrounds the Mini Cooper S. Some admire its exterior, running their fingers along its smooth surfaces, while others take a seat inside, feeling the plush comfort of the interior. Conversations are filled with excitement as enthusiasts discuss its performance, design, and heritage. The showroom is not just a place to buy a car, it is an experience that immerses you in the world of Mini. A test drive awaits those who wish to feel the Mini Cooper S come to life. As the engine starts, a deep yet refined sound resonates through the showroom, turning heads instantly. The LED headlights flicker as if waking up, ready for adventure. The anticipation builds as the car is slowly driven out of the showroom, its exhaust note echoing softly. It is a moment that encapsulates the passion behind the Mini brand, an invitation to explore the roads with style and confidence. Even as the Mini Cooper S leaves the showroom floor, its presence lingers. The illuminated name on the wall continues to shine brightly, a reminder of the iconic vehicle that just stood beneath it. The showroom, now momentarily without its centerpiece, still holds an air of excitement, knowing that another Mini Cooper S will soon take its place, ready to capture hearts once again. This is more than just a car in a showroom, it is a statement of innovation, heritage, and driving pleasure. The Mini Cooper S is not merely displayed, it is celebrated. And for those who step into this luxurious space, it is not just about witnessing a vehicle, it is about experiencing the essence of Mini. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.